Firstly, we thanks the NLTV for coming to us. Regarding the pollution under control testing, this has been done across the district, and Kohima being one of the districts, we are also carrying out on trial basis now. And regarding the challenges which you asked, of course, the place where we have our office now is a rented house, and we do not have the infrastructure. So that means we do not have the parking facility. This is a very busy road. To carry out the testing is very difficult for us due to the time taken to test the vehicle. In a day, we could hardly test few vehicles only. And over and above that, we have to test both petrol and diesel vehicle. And diesel vehicle, mostly big vehicle, the vehicle cannot be parked here. So daytime we cannot do commercial vehicles, testing of commercial vehicles. As per Motor Vehicle Act, all the vehicles have to be fit to ply on the road, and pollution is one of the parameters which all the vehicle has to satisfy to ply on the road. It's not about register, but it's about testing the vehicles to comply with the act, that the vehicle is fit for plying on the road. Yeah, the owners are coming forward. The problem is we cannot cater to the needs of all the vehicles.
For vehicles, we do the pollution testing just below our office, and then what we are testing is we're testing the of course what the machine do is just read the necessary readings, and then the machine will automatically detect the standard units. So if the vehicle is good, then surely the machine will detect, and then it will give the pass result. If not, the machine will automatically detect the vehicle, the emission norms, etc.
This is integrated into our registration system, Vahan portal, and then the vehicle on test, if it fails, the system will show it has failed automatically. And if the vehicle smoke pollutants are above the standard, then the system will automatically say it is passed. So once the vehicle has been detected to be failed pollution, then they have to go back, do the necessary change of oils, and and if the engine is not okay, then they have to go for replacement of the engines. So it is not about necessary, it is mandatory. The problem is because of the infrastructure, we cannot do, and the numbers of vehicles are very big. Otherwise, it is mandatory.
We usually suggest them to change the oil or engine to suggest even the silencer. It basics la difference to catalytic converter la difference भी आई जाए तो धन filter out करो ना पड़ी जाए ना मतलब पुराना गाड़ी हम दे तो धन pollutants can be बेसी हो जाए तो साइनिश ना if you see in our this ini Kohima ini bisa waktu गाड़ी भी बाल भी बेसी but say 90% is good, but then the rest 10% is juga तो ignorance भी बहुत पड़े और proper नॉलेज periodically maintenance ना था कारण pollution हो जाए मतलब तो system दा इशू ले तो the machine will automatically detect the bad vehicles मतलब those who are emitting तो मान भी तो certificate issue ले तो even the enforcement और तो हम तो दाम थोड़ी से ले तो ये एक ताज़ मतलब इसे तक तो पहला lambda value और CO pollutants का था ना दाम तारे हम तो अलग value high अलग above the standard तो लाई जाए कोई माँ इन्हीं इतना for 2 weeks में इनका observe कर दो ना the like problem to discuss.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.